Hey everybody, Meteor Mark here with your latest in weather forecasting. You can see by all the water there on the patio that it's been raining all morning. Yeah, crazy, right? And my prediction, based on all the gray clouds up there and the chill in the air, it's gonna rain. It's gonna rain all day. We are in the rainy season, so you can expect a lot of it. So make sure you're always carrying a jacket and umbrella if you're gonna head out today, because yeah, it's gonna be another wet one. Okay, everyone, stay well. This is Meteor Mark with your up to the minute weather. Yeah.